Imagine this, a world where your wildest stories come to life. Characters leap off the page, landscapes glow with magic, and every frame feels like it's from a dream. What if I told you that you could create this yourself for free in 6 simple steps with no expensive studios or complicated software? Today, I'll guide you through crafting your very own 3D animated kids story using cutting-edge free AI tools. From writing a captivating script to designing characters, adding motion, and creating sound, you'll learn how to bring your ideas to life. Let's dive in. Step 1. Write your story with ChatGPT. The heart of any animation is the story. It's what hooks your audience, makes them care, and keeps them watching. Writing might sound overwhelming, but with ChatGPT, you have a brainstorming partner available 24/7. Start by asking ChatGPT for title ideas. For example, type, "Can you suggest titles for a 3D animated kids story set in a mysterious village?" It'll generate creative suggestions. Suppose one grabs your attention, like The Secret of Whispering Woods. Ask ChatGPT to expand on it by requesting a full story with clear scenes, character details, and vivid settings. For instance, guide ChatGPT with a prompt like, "I've chosen the title, The Secret of Whispering Woods. Can you help me write an original and engaging script for the story? I plan to create a YouTube video based on this story, so please divide it into scenes and provide an image prompt for each one." To ensure consistency in the character's profile throughout the story, please use the following structure: character name, age, gender, hairstyle, face description, outfit, top, bottom, footwear, background description, and action. Hit enter. Once you have your script, copy it and paste into Google Docs or any editor you prefer. Read over your script carefully and make changes to make it just right for your story. Also, make sure to add a motion prompt to each scene. I'll tell you why that's important later. Once your script and image prompts are all set, you're ready to start creating the visuals for your scenes. Isn't it exciting to see your imagination take shape so easily? That's the magic of AI. Step 2. Create stunning visuals with Kling AI. Now that your script is ready, it's time to bring your story to life visually. Kling AI is a powerful tool for creating stunning images with just a few clicks. First, you'll need to create an account. Once that's done, log in. Now, every free account gets up to 66 daily credits, and each image costs only 0.80 credits. This means you can make up to 82 images a day without spending a dime, which is more than enough to create a whole story. After logging in, you can start using the platform right away. Here's what you'll see on the Kling AI interface. The main tools are AI Image, AI Video, and the Video Editor. For this guide, we'll focus on the AI Image feature. When you click on it, just like other AI tools, there's a prompt section where you describe the image you want to make. There's also a reference field where you can upload an image, and Kling AI will create similar images by using features from your uploaded picture. You can also choose the aspect ratio and decide how many images to generate each time. These are important settings to know as we continue. Now, let's make our images. Go to Google Docs and copy the prompt for the first scene. Then, go back to Kling AI and paste it into the text-to-image generator. Choose your desired aspect ratio and the number of images you want to create. Then click Generate Image. Wait a few moments for the images to be generated. After just a few moments later, check out the images. Wow, they turned out even better than I hoped. The quality is really good, and they all look consistently great. Now that you have your images, pick the one that fits best with your script. Then repeat the process for the remaining prompts. Now, while generating images, you might encounter inconsistencies in how characters appear from one image to the next. Consistency is crucial for a professional look, so let's address that. Here are 3 ways to keep your character designs consistent. First, find what's different. Look for changes in things like hair color or what they're wearing. Second, describe your characters better in your prompts. For example, instead of just saying, "a young adventurer," or "the same girl from scene 1, say, "Emily, 10 years, female, long curly brown hair, bright green eyes, wearing a red hoodie, blue jeans, and hiking boots." See the difference? The more detailed your prompt, the closer it matches your vision. Third, use color-coded keywords. Highlight key character traits in your prompts. This helps the AI concentrate on the important parts. Then, take these detailed prompts and put them back into the image generator. Make new images that match your characters' look better. By making your prompts clearer, you make sure your characters look the same in every scene, making your animation flow better and look more professional. With Kling AI tools, you can make amazing visuals even if you've never done it before. Plus, the free credits make it easy for anyone to get started. Once all your images are done, it's time to add some motion. Step 3. Add motion with Kling AI. Static pictures are cool, but making them move really makes your story pop. In this tutorial, we'll continue with Kling AI because it has an AI video tool that lets you turn text or images into videos. With Kling AI, you can easily create motion videos from your images. This time, we'll focus on the AI video function. Let's click on it. Now, just like other AI generation platforms, there's a spot to upload an image and a section to describe the scene you want to animate. The motion brush lets you control how objects move in the video. There are also settings to tweak how creative or accurate the movements are. You can pick from standard or professional modes, set the video length to 5 or 10 seconds, and choose how many different versions you want per request. The camera movement feature, which is only in Kling 1.5 professional mode, lets you control the camera. There's also a section to list things you don't want in your video. On the right side, you can watch your videos anytime. Now, let's start making the video. First, go back to your script. Remember the motion prompt section I added? We won't create the motion prompt ourselves. We'll have ChatGPT do it. Here's how. Go to ChatGPT, upload the image from the first scene, copy the first script, and type, "I have the image and script for a scene in my story. Can you give me a motion prompt that fits?" Paste the script and hit enter. Once you get the motion prompt, copy it and paste it into Google Docs. Do this for each scene, one at a time. When that's done, it's time to make the images move. Copy the first motion prompt, go back to Kling AI, click on Image to Video, and upload the first image. In the prompt box, paste the motion prompt you got. I'll leave the motion settings as they are. For the setup, I'll use Kling AI 1.5 standard mode. This process will use 20 credits, and I'll set the video to last 5 seconds. Note that camera movement can only be adjusted in professional mode and costs 35 credits. Once you set everything, click Generate. If you have a free account, Kling AI might take a while to make the video. If you're not happy with it, you can try again. I tested both the 1.5 and 1.6 models to see which gave better results. Repeat this for all your images. Once all the videos are made, watch them and pick the ones that best match your vision. Save these videos to your computer for editing. What's an animation without sound, right? Next, let's add some voices using text-to-speech OpenAS, a powerful AI voice generation platform. Step 4. Add voices with TTS. Every great story needs a voice. Use TTS OpenAI, a text-to-speech tool, to generate realistic voiceovers for your narration and characters. This tool gives you high-quality, realistic voices. First, open TTS OpenAI website, create an account and log in. Then go to the StoryMaker section and start by clicking on the Add Conversation button. This is where you begin crafting your dialogue. You'll give a name to this part of your conversation and then head back to your script. Copy the first dialogue or narration part and paste it in here. You also get to choose a voice for this character. If you want to hear what the voice sounds like, you can listen to samples. You can even search for voices based on the speaker's gender, age, and nationality. There are also local accents you can choose from. For this tutorial, I picked a voice named Valentino for the first dialogue. For the second part of the conversation, you do the same. Copy and paste in the dialogue and select a voice. I chose Shimmer for this one. Once you've entered all parts of your conversation, you choose the quality of the audio output and then click on Create Story. This will lead to a translation step. A pop-up will ask you to name the conversation and choose the format for your final product, which is typically an MP3 file. Then, you press the Let's Start Creating button to begin the conversion process. After the translation is done, you can check the finished conversation in the History section. Here, you can listen to the entire conversation or just parts of it, and even download them if you want. As an example of what the conversation might sound like, here's a dialogue between two characters.
In the heart of a mystical forest known as Whispering Woods, where trees talk and the wind whispers secrets, our adventure begins.
What secrets do you hold, Whispering Woods?
Emily steps into the forest, and the trees around her begin to whisper.
That's pretty much how you use the site to create and manage voiced conversations. Now that we have our voiceover ready, let's add some background music to really draw in your audience. Sound effects are key too. Step 5. Add music and sound effects with Pixabay. Let's add more depth to your story with music and sound effects. Pixabay offers a vast library of free tracks and sound clips, as does CapCut, a popular video editing tool for creators. You can use ChatGPT to help find the right mood for your story. For example, ask, "What music fits a story titled The Secret of Whispering Woods?" ChatGPT might suggest keywords like ambient music, orchestral strings, or magical. Use these keywords to search through the audio libraries on Pixabay or CapCut to find music that perfectly complements your story. For sound effects, like footsteps, whispers, or magical chimes, search and download sound clips from Pixabay, or just get them from CapCut Audio Sound Effect Library. Hear that? Sound adds the final sprinkle of magic to your animation. Step 6. Edit and finalize with CapCut. Use CapCut or any other video editor to assemble everything. That includes the visuals, voiceovers, music, and sound effects all together. Import your files, arrange them in order, and sync the voiceovers with the visuals. Add transitions, text captions, and filters to polish your video. Adjust audio levels so the voiceovers, music, and effects blend seamlessly. Once everything looks perfect, export your animation in high resolution. From script to screen, it all comes together in this final step.
In the heart of a mystical forest known as Whispering Woods, where trees talk and the wind whispers secrets, our adventure begins.
What secrets do you hold, Whispering Woods?
Emily steps into the forest, and the trees around her begin to whisper, guiding her path deeper into the woods. She soon finds a sparkling, magical necklace hanging on a branch, pulsing with a mysterious light.
Could this be the secret of the woods?
A gentle, wise old deer appears, the guardian of the necklace.
This necklace holds the power to connect with nature. It was lost, and now that you've found it, you must decide its fate.
I will guard it with my heart, as you have, and keep the woods safe.
Emily, understanding.
And there you have it, a fully animated kids story brought to life with free AI tools. If this inspired you, hit that like button and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more creative tips and tricks.